Let go.
Okay, that was weird. Okay, so I'm gonna do a Wendy's mukbang. Kind of ASMR because of my headphones. Okay, so like usual, I got the 4 for $4, and I always get the junior bacon cheeseburger, but like, why did they wrap it so weirdly? Let's see. Bitch, I don't think they did me right. This ain't. Oh, it is. There's a new wrapping. Weird. Okay. So how are you guys? That's good to hear. I'm doing great. I just got off of work, and ooh. I just got off of work. So people have been freaking out about the snow, and I'm like, it's barely snowing. And then I got off of work and I was like, oh, it's really snowing out there, like, oh shit. And then people are like Snapchatting me, and they're like, bro, we don't have school, well, we have a 2-hour late start. And I was like, really? I'm actually shocked. Like, how? Bro, this is so fun. Last time I had my mom get me a 4 for $4, they messed up the order and gave me a cheeseburger, and I'm like, it's a junior bacon cheeseburger, not a cheeseburger. Get it right, Wendy's. Otherwise, I'm gonna tweet at you. This shit's fire. Also, Sassum sauce is the shit. If you haven't tried it, it's bomb. It's like, it's kind of like barbecue sauce, but like, not. I don't know how to describe it. You just have to try it. Ooh, I didn't swallow that bacon. Oh. Ow. Oh, sister. Oh. Do you ever just eat a piece of food and it doesn't, like, you don't chew it all the way and you just swallow it? Like a chip. Oh my god, that happened to me once. I ate a potato chip and then I didn't chew it. I didn't chew it all the way. And then I was like, and I coughed it out and it flew. Oops. Got mellow yellow. I asked for Mountain Dew and she's like, is mellow yellow okay? Actually, no, I asked for their honest green tea because that's the best tea at Wendy's. Like, don't at me. Like, it's so good. If you haven't tried it, like, you need to try it. It's so good. They didn't have it. They're like, we're out of that. And I'm like, bitch, give me my motherfucking tea. But I guess mellow yellow will do. Oh, it's hot. Oh, yeah. Life's good. School's easy. But next year, oof, a girl is going to be struggling. I took really easy classes this year. So I haven't been learning anything. Love that. So yeah, I don't even know like what college I'm going to. I'm either gonna stay here locally or like go to this one other college. But that's only if I get a scholarship. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Like I'm thinking journalism or public relations or like communications or maybe even marketing. I don't know, maybe business. But yeah, I don't know. High school's fun and all. I made some great friends. Like, we should count how many guys I've talked to. Okay, so, not like, only like texted, technically. Let's see. So, one, which was I already explained, the guy who left me for his ex-girlfriend. So that was my first relationship, which I wouldn't even count a relationship, but we're just gonna count it. This one dude I met at the mall. I think another dude that I met from someone else from youth group, yeah. I kind of wanted 12, 13. 16, I think. That's all the guys that I attempted talking to and or like just texted, just talked. Nothing happened. Well, okay. Of all the guys I talked to, 3 of them I've kissed. Yeah. First kiss was a disaster. That shit was slobbery. Or maybe it's because I was a little child and I didn't know what making out was. I didn't even have like crushes really. I didn't even have like a thought to have a boyfriend at all in high school until sophomore year. Like what? I don't know, sisters. But it was more of a relationship. That was my longest relationship, which was a month. Third one wasn't a relationship. We just made out. And then that was kind of it. So yeah. Work kind of sucks. They're giving me shitty hours. Love that. Because I'm not getting my SOPs. It's just my socks down. I'm like, okay. So, I guess I have to do better than that. And have conversations with people. But some days I don't want to have conversations with random people because people are annoying sometimes. And like, I don't know, when I go to the mall and I'm looking for stuff, I don't want anyone talking to me. Like, I am there for a reason to pick up whatever I need. I don't need any help unless I ask for help. I will ask you for help if I need help. Right? Like, I know that some people get shy, but like, if you're really desperate for needing something, then you will ask for it. Especially if you're in a small store, like you're gonna be obligated to ask them for something. So like, why do I have to like continue a conversation? I could just be like, hey, how's it going? How's life? Okay, cool. I'll let you look around. Like, I don't have to continue conversation around what do you do on the daily, like what's your favorite color? Like, some people don't want to know your business, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to tell everybody my business. Like let's say someone's like, oh, I just came back from work, and then we would be like, oh, so where do you work? Sometimes people don't want to tell like the other person like where they work, you know, like it could be private. So like, our dance team is gonna be going to state, be out here. Like, my dance team, this is our first year competing as a team for our school. Our school hasn't had a dance team in 20 years. 20 years. We competed the first time and we got first place. Motherfucking first place, bitches. Like, go us. And then our second competition, guess what we got? First place. Not trying to be cocky, because we have a competition this Saturday and we haven't practiced that much and we haven't really been going over formations. So, fun fact about me, I eat until I'm satisfied. I don't eat till I'm full, because if I eat till I'm full, like, I will literally throw up. I will gag. Like I have to have a certain amount of food to, like, that I'm like, okay, I feel good, and like I wouldn't mind having a dessert after, if that makes sense. So like my stomach like leaves room just in case, which is a good thing, because I'm not trying to be fat. But this girl also gets kids meals too, so like, all them guys, if you take me on a date, this is a cheap hoe. Yeah, me. I'm cheap. I will, literally, an appetizer is perfect. That is my meal. But if you give me a whole course meal, if you take me out to freaking Golden Corral or like the food buffet places, she's not gonna get her money's worth, because she eats like a little kid. Unless I'm on my period, then bitch will be grubbing. But hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. I don't even know if that was like interesting at all. I don't know how people find this like appealing or like interesting at all. I put a little poll on my Instagram. I said, am I known for being trendy or being funny? And people said funny, and I don't know how, but like, I guess it's a compliment. Or do I just look funny? I probably just look funny, because oh my god, I was like staring at like myself for a while. I was just like staring at myself, and I was like, I look like the world's greatest egg. Like the egg thing, like the thing that's trending on Instagram, like that egg. Like, I was just staring at myself, and I was like, comparison? I think yes, but I hope you enjoyed this mukbang, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Your girl doesn't know what to do with her life, so eating food makes me happy, makes everybody happy, I hope. Make sure you follow me on social media. Yeah. Hope you liked this video. Okay, that was really weird. I'm gonna go now. Okay, cool. Bye.